Popular Mechanics decided to write a popular article about the moon today. Tim Newcomb wrote about scientists thinking that we've officially entered the lunar anthropocene, whatever that is. Listen to this junk. Researchers believe that the new epoch may have begun on the moon back in 1959 when humans affected the surface. I thought it was 69, but maybe I was wrong. Dubbed the lunar anthropocene, I can't say that word, the epoch has now seen over 100 spacecraft visit the moon, and humans are becoming a dominant force in shaping the future. Another lie. 100 spacecraft have never visited the moon, and it is yet to be seen how exactly growing human influence will shape our natural satellite. It's another lie. It is too close in mass to actually be natural. I don't know. Getting paid to lie is just, I guess it's the American way today. I don't get it. Nobody's accountable for anything they say. And people say the damnedest things. Jesus.